I got a new set of lamps that I absolutely love. There's the other one over there on the table. I'll show you it up close in just a minute. But this lamp is absolutely amazing. You, like I said, you get a pair, comes with the shade. The shade is not assembled, which I was surprised at, but you get the top frame and the bottom frame, and it was super easy to put together. The fabric part was laying flat in the box, and you hook the clips, there's clips on the fabric part, and you just hook them in. It's super easy. I mean, it literally took me 10 minutes to assemble the whole thing. And then this has Velcro, so it makes a really nice, neat seam. And it did not take me very long at all to put this together. But when I got the box, I was really surprised, because I'm thinking there's no way there's a lampshade in there. So you can see that it is slightly distressed. And this one is like a blue color, but they had, I think, 8 different colors to choose from, which is really cool. Now, this button down here is the on and off switch, and you just touch it. You don't have to actually push it in. You just touch it to turn it on and off, which I thought was super cool. And then on this side, look, there is a regular plug, and then there is a USB, and then also a charging port. So I love this, love this. This was a really good deal. This is very nicely weighted, so they're not gonna fall over really easily. I'm gonna say, I don't think this is wood. I'm thinking it might be resin, but I'm not 100% sure. So anyway, but these are a good deal. And let me go show you the lamp. So here's the lamp sitting on a table, and it is off right now, but look, let's see. All you have to do is touch the button. Oops, there we go. It has 3 different settings, which I absolutely love. I love that it's just a touch setting. You don't actually have to push the button, but this is a really nice looking lamp. So I am very pleased with these. And as soon as I get an end table for this side, we'll have one on each side of the sofa.